Hey bitches, what's up? I'm back with another video. This video is going to be like Valentine's Day themed. I'm gonna do two different eye looks. I'm gonna do like a dramatic eye on the left side of my face and a more natural wearable look on the right side of my face for you girls that don't do a lot of makeup. And I'm not going to be doing my face makeup on camera because I did it in the last video, but it won't normally be like this. I'm just doing this because I'm doing two different looks and it's gonna be really long already. So I'm going to start out putting on this hyaluronic acid from The Ordinary. I recently ordered some products from them. It's like really sticky, I don't know. It like sticks to the dropper. I can't find any of my brushes and shit. Oh yeah, look at how cute these necklaces are. I got them from Nasty Gal. Alright, I'm gonna use this Dominique Cosmetics palette today. We're doing the more dramatic eye first. Alright, I think I'm gonna go in with Lucid Dream. It's this really pretty pink shade. And I'm going to start to create a base for our cut crease. And I'm going in with a small pencil brush. And I'm just gonna start right here in the inner corner. Alright, now I'm gonna go in with a slightly bigger blending brush. I'm gonna go in with pigment from the Conspiracy palette. Also, this is probably my favorite small blending brush. This is the M506. Go back in with this small pencil brush, and I'm gonna take a little bit of Zero Gravity. This is it right here, and just kind of deepen up the lower part of this cut crease. Back in with my blending brush and with pigment. I would say the most important step of a cut crease like this is just going back in repeatedly with your colors and blending and just pretty much repetition. And I'm going in with a fluffy brush and a little bit of My Pills and just blending it all into my brow so it fades seamlessly. But still not as deep as I would like it. I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Hot Fudge from the Mini Jawbreaker palette. It's just like Zero Gravity, but it's a tad darker. In with the blending brush. Back in with my big blending brush, My Pills. So I think I'm gonna stop there. I'm gonna cut this crease. And also another thing, a lot of people like to put their concealer on their lash line and then open their eye and like cut their crease from there, but I personally don't like that because it's very unpredictable and you never really know exactly where it's going to go, if that makes sense. So I just like to do it the old-fashioned way and sketch it out myself. What we got. So now I'm gonna take kind of a bigger brush. I'm gonna go in with my pills and just put this on the lid. I think I'm gonna do like a liner situation with this Lucid Dream color. I'm gonna try. Alright, I know the liner looks crazy. I'm gonna clean it up with a concealer. Concealer, my little brush. Look at that shit.
Oh shit!
I'm gonna go in with a little bit of glitter liner on the cut crease part. And I'm gonna be using Glam Rock. I think this is from Urban Decay. Yeah, Urban Decay. I always see people do like the fake inner corner with eyeshadow or liner, and I tried it and it just looks so bad. We're gonna start on the next eye. All right, so this eye is overall going to be more neutral, but for the sake of this being a Valentine's Day themed video, my transition color is gonna be kind of pinkish, but of course you can change that. You can do whatever you want to these looks to suit you better. And I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Zero Gravity from this Dominique Cosmetics palette again. And I'm just gonna go in my outer corner. And blend inward. And now I'm gonna go in with my bigger fluffy brush. And I'm gonna go in with pigment. Back in with Zero Gravity. For my right eye, I'm not going to do a cut crease, but I am going to go in with a little bit of concealer, if I can find it. So as you can see, I just kind of threw that on there. And I'm gonna go back in with Crystal Flesh from the Blue Blood palette. and pack them on. Now I'm gonna go back in with my blending brush and go in with pigment and just blend out the edges. I'm gonna go back in with Zero Gravity. So I'm going to go back in with this thin liner brush, clean it off because it has that bright pink on it. And I'm gonna go in with Zero Gravity. And I'm just gonna make a small little line right here. Take this again, blend her out. And there you go. It's pretty simple, only 3 shades. Okay, so I'm going to do my brows and my face, and I will be back to finish the lower lash line. Your girl is back. So I did my foundation and my bronzer and my lashes. These lashes are After Hours Bold Face Makeup. Bold Face Makeup sponsor me. Oh, I also did my brows. Same face routine. Okay, so I'm gonna finish off my lower lash line. And I thought it would be kind of cool to do a little mini story time type of deal, because it is Valentine's Day, you know. So I have a cute little, it's not cute, it's really fucked up, honestly. And I'm gonna take Lucid Dream and just go under my lash line over here. So this story time takes place like a few years ago. I think it was 16, 17 maybe. I think it was 17 actually. Me and my first longtime boyfriend had just broken up, and I was visiting a friend in Paragould, Arkansas, and I was staying at her house, and it was Valentine's Day, and I had been talking to this guy from Paragould for like a couple weeks maybe, and we were supposed to go on a date. And I was waiting at my friend's house for him to tell me he was on his way. And that's all I'm really gonna do underneath this eye. But, so yeah, I was waiting at her house, and he calls me and he's like, hey, I'm on my way. And I like had gotten ready, you know, beat my face, curled my hair, the whole fucking 9. Okay, now I'm going back in with Zero Gravity on this eye underneath and just going right underneath the lash line. But anyway, so he tells me, hey, I'm on my way, be ready. So probably like 20 minutes goes by. I'm waiting and waiting and fucking waiting.
6.5 hours later.
And he's still not here. So I call him and he's like, on my way, I just had to do, like, run a few errands. And I was like, okay, cool. Still waiting. Another 20 minutes goes by. I try to call him, and guess the fuck what? This shit rings one time and goes to voicemail, and all you bitches who have been blocked know exactly what that means. This dude really blocked me. He really fucking blocked me. And my dumbass was so sad. I'm going in with pigment and blending this out. Well, I'm still calling him all night, crying. The next day, I tried calling him again and figuring out what the fuck happened. And he was like, I'm sorry, my phone died, or some fucking bullshit excuse.
Too, and you don't know how to do that. So that's where I come in, and I keep your emotions, and I deal with your emotions over here. But when it comes time for business,
And I was like, damn, okay. My fucking dumbass. And continue to talk to him. And the next night, I was still in Arkansas. It was like on a weekend or something. I can't even remember. But I know it was on Valentine's Day. And the fucking next night, the same shit happens. He's like, I'm so sorry. Like, I'm gonna make this up to you. I'm gonna take you out on a date tonight. Like, be ready at like 7 o'clock. I'll be there. And I was like, okay, it's fine. No big deal. Guess what this motherfucker does again?
Oh, Lord. Again. A fucking again. Nothing new, nothing changed, same old shit.
He fucking blocked me. He blocked me and he never talked to me again. So yeah. Going back in with this Milani blush, my favorite blush of all time. So that is one of my crazy Valentine's Day stories. My next few videos are probably, well, one of them is going to be a story time. But anyway, if you have any funny Valentine's Day stories, please comment them. I want to hear them. I love stories like that. I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palette again, and I'm gonna go in with Eclipse. Just do a little bit of highlighting. And also, guys, if you would let me know if you would rather my story times be like me doing my makeup while telling a story, or just like telling the story straight up. So I'm going in with this old ass Kylie lip liner and Dolce K. I haven't tried this lipstick yet. It's Stila Liquid Lipstick in Angelo. Is it Angelo? Or Angelo? Angelo. And now I'm gonna take this lip gloss from my friend that I found on Instagram. She lives in Fort Polk. And she sold them to me. I'll tag her Instagram down below, but she's been selling these and they're really cute. We love a good clear gloss moment. Alright guys, so the last thing to do is to spray my face. Alright, so this is the look that I created. This is the dramatic eye. And this is the soft, natural eye. So, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below which one you like better. And also tell me, what are your plans for Valentine's Day? Hopefully I'll get this up before Valentine's Day so all you lovely people can see it. But again, thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe. Keep up with me on Instagram and Twitter, and stay tuned for another video next week. Bye, bitches.